What is up? It is Friday, end of the week. We have got some 9:45 red folder news that probably will wait for, but we'll see what happens. I'm unsure how to approach news using how Justin trades, so we'll see what happens. Nice and simple today. Very obvious. Sell side of the curve for a buy model on the 1 hour. We've left out all these highs here, that low resistance liquidity that we could just be seeing. Absolutely ran through these highs. We've left them all behind, so that shows the sell side of the curve. We then came down and took out this 15-minute sell side in this 1 hour inverse fair value gap range. It was a bearish imbalance. We ran through it. We've came down and held it. It's acted as an inverse. We've took out sell side in an area where we're expecting price to reverse. We had displacement through. No SMT at these lows though. But it is a very clear overall, in my opinion, very clear looking at this. So I've got this 15-minute imbalance marked out. Could be seeing price come into here and respect it. SMT at the lows on like the 1 minute maybe, and then looking for that move up. We are having right now a lower time frame sell model, I'm thinking. We are just chopping up before open anyway, and currently holding this 15-minute bearish for now, and on ES as well, holding it bearish. So could see some manipulation lower first. Ideally would like to see manipulation lower first, and then long targets this first internal high right here, and then the external draws to the left of us. We have still got this 4 hour imbalance that has held SMT at these highs and at these highs with ES, as you can see. SMT right there, and then SMT right there, but I'm not too worried about that because overall for the day I'm thinking we're going up to take out these buy side draws. I've got all three marked on NQ, so that is what I'm looking at going into open. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully looking for something like this. Manipulation lower, SMT at these lows, displacement, and then a pullback, and then we target this draw and then up to that buy side. Something like that. That's what I'm looking at. So we'll see what happens when market opens. And peace. Alrighty, so very choppy AM session, which is normal really on a consumer confidence kind of day. So no trade for me again. But there is a trade I would have liked to take, but I made a pretty silly error that I've done before. So when I first started trading, and TJR had just started doing his kick streams as well, I'd always have them open, and I'd always flip whatever I was thinking to whatever he said. If he said something I was thinking opposite of, I'd flip and do whatever he was saying. And I ended up losing a few trades because of that. And then I decided to never watch his stream again and go off only what I'm thinking, which is fair enough. You know, it's completely fair enough. And then today, before market open, Justin posted this. And then I immediately flipped what I was thinking. I wasn't necessarily thinking anything at this point, but once I'd seen this, I thought this is the only way to view the market today. When in reality, I think I probably might have taken a short, because we'll get into that. So that's what I did wrong. Justin ended up there's a helicopter outside. Justin ended up taking a break even before market open, break even, and then 2 losses. because he didn't flip buyers and the data showed me. So I took no trades, but after seeing this, I took this as the only way to view the market, which is wrong. And I can't say that it's Justin's fault. It's my fault. Full accountability. It's my mistake that I didn't take the trade. But let's jump right in. So before market open, if you remember, I said we had a very clear sell side and buy side on the 15-minute up to this 15-minute draw here. We'd already put in an SMT yesterday's PM session in this 4-hour imbalance. That wasn't really valid, but price came down, took out sell side, and then displaced higher up to the 5-minute internal draw that got closed. 5-minute internal draw that was taken when market opened, because this is the 5-minute sell side and then the 5-minute buy side. That got taken, and then ES took this. So going into open, I was obviously looking for the longs. There was a small SMT right here, changing the state, pull back to it, then an inverse of value gap, and I was like, right, I could long here. I could long right on open up to there, TP1, and then TP2. I didn't do that because I didn't feel confident in doing it. And that's fine. If we look at ES, so obviously there's a 5-minute draw, there's the 15-minute draw that got taken. This buy side right here, that got taken. And then once that got taken on ES and not on NQ, I wanted to flip bearish. Get this SMC drawn in. I wanted to flip because ES had taken buy side in an area where price could reverse. Taking buy side, put in the SMT, we can get rid of these two. Taken buy side, put in the SMT, and then we had displacement lower. So we're looking at NQ. There's the move up, there's the change in the state. And I was thinking, right, we're going to have some manipulation lower, SMT at these lows, then go up and take out buy side still. Because I was still holding value to what Justin has said. Obviously, I can't blame that, but SMT the highs, changing the state. This candle did pull back to it, but I probably would have waited for 10 a.m. news to hit. This imbalance holds bearish. You know, we don't get a complete run through. We revisit the change in the state, and then here's the news candle right here. Back into this imbalance. And then we close beneath it. That probably would have been the best short entry. There's no SMT to have a stop at a protected high, which is a bit annoying. But if I could have put it up there at that SMT. And then take profit, there's these open lows right there, and then there's those 15-minute lows, or just targeting that 15-minute imbalance that we had right there. So that was probably the play of the day. Even if stop was here, it would be a bit better RR. But I didn't do that, which is fine. Which is fine. So it is what it is. You know, no trades were taken, but we've learned a valuable lesson to view the markets how I see fit, not how other people see fit. I mean, it is a very clear buy side of the curve, and then no sell side, then buy side of the curve. But then once ES took out that buy side, that is that model done. And then we've got, again, a very clear this sort of thing. But it doesn't really align with the higher time frame, because in my opinion, the higher time frame was also a buy model right here. So, you know, I was wrong today, and that's fine, but I didn't take a loss, took no trades. Just really let market do its thing. As you can see right now, we are bouncing really nicely from that hourly imbalance that I have marked out. So a long could have been taken down here somewhere, but it was too late into the session. I was looking and I was like, right, okay, we've put in this SMT right here with very clear SMT, you know. We've put in this SMT and then we're waiting. This is the change in the stakes. This is the manipulation leg. And then that happens. We don't even retest it. But there's inverses down here you could have traded from. So, you know, no trades from me. But this is the ideal one that I would have taken. Or just straight up the pullback to this change in the state. Stop at the protected high. And then target down there. And it would have happened eventually. So, rough one. Again, no trades though, so it's fine. Still learning. On demo for a reason. No trades again. I didn't see anything I was confident enough to take. So, yeah, didn't have the confidence. Market was very slow, very choppy. Lots of big wicks, lots of small closes. So, maybe it was in my best interest to stay out anyway. So, it is what it is. But, 0 trades. I'll still be on demo next week just to build more conviction executing. I've only executed twice this week. 1 win, 1 loss. The rest have been no trades. Yesterday we missed the entry. Today, missed the entry again, but I wasn't wanting to take it, so it's fine. That being said, have a nice weekend.